Okay, different angle. I'm trying to get the chuck off of this Milwaukee Super Hawg drill. 1680-20. And the idea has been to chuck this up, get it nice and tight, set it on a bench and whack it with a hammer. Well, it looked easy on the internet, but after 15-20 minutes of banging, it just didn't do anything. So took a big enough Allen wrench that I had a socket for. I ground it down to fit into a socket, and then ground the other end that'll fit into the chuck. Not very pretty, but c'est la vie. That's how it goes. No big deal. I'm not really. Okay, so get it in there. Not really too concerned about the chuck at this point. Let's just see what happens. Now put on the other chuck and see if I didn't screw up the gears. Okay. All right, need to find the Allen screw. So I went ahead and I did not remove the old chuck before and then do it with the impact driver to make it look like it's a success. This was from, I don't know, probably 10 years the old chuck's been on there. So this was in real time, how long it took to break that off with the impact wrench. So I will probably edit it down. Oh, this is reverse. Probably edit it down so that it's just, you just see the, I'll speed it up, but you'll see the entire the time it took to do it. And let's see if it works now. This is the big test. Next big test. pretty robust machine. So no guarantees you won't screw up your machine if you do it like this, but that's how it worked for me.